From the vibrant petals of a rose to the juicy sweetness of a ripe tomato, water is the lifeblood that sustains every plant in our gardens. But as any gardener knows, providing the right amount of water at the right time can be a delicate balancing act. Too much water and the roots suffocate, too little and the leaves wither. But fear not, for nature in its infinite wisdom provides a multitude of ways to nurture our gardens. Today we journey into the fascinating world of irrigation, exploring 5 unique hacks that will not only quench your garden's thirst, but also save you precious water and effort. Struggling to keep your garden green and thriving? Today, I'll show you 5 unique irrigation hacks that will save water, boost plant growth, and make your gardening easier than ever. Our journey begins with an ancient technique whispered through generations of gardeners' clay pot irrigation. This ingenious method harnesses the porous nature of unglazed clay pots to deliver water directly to the roots of your plants. Imagine, if you will, a clay pot, humble in appearance, buried neck-deep in the earth, like a hidden reservoir. Fill it with water, and observe as the moisture slowly seeps through the porous clay, drawn in by the thirsty roots below. This simple yet effective technique ensures a consistent supply of water, keeping the soil moist for days without the risk of overwatering. In a world grappling with plastic waste, our next hack offers a sustainable solution, transforming discarded plastic bottles into ingenious drip irrigation systems. It's a testament to human ingenuity, turning a potential environmental hazard into a valuable gardening tool. The process is remarkably simple. Take an empty plastic bottle and carefully puncture small holes around its surface. Bury the bottle near your plant, leaving the neck exposed, and fill it with water. Like a slow, steady drip from a natural spring, the water will seep out, nourishing the roots without waterlogging the soil. Chapter 3. The Magic of Capillary Action, String Wick Irrigation. Our next irrigation hack relies on a fascinating scientific principle: capillary action. Just as a slender straw draws liquid upwards, defying gravity, a simple cotton string can become a lifeline for your plants. This method, known as string wick irrigation, is particularly well suited for small pots or indoor plants. Picture a length of cotton string, one end submerged in a container of water, the other gently nestled in the soil of your plant pot. The water molecules, attracted to the fibers of the string, embark on a remarkable journey, traveling upwards, defying gravity, to deliver moisture directly to the roots. Chapter 4. Locking in moisture, the mulch and sponge trick. Our penultimate hack focuses on maximizing water retention, ensuring every precious drop is utilized by your plants. The key lies in mimicking nature's own water-saving techniques. Begin by placing a simple household sponge at the bottom of your plant pot. This ingenious trick creates a reservoir, catching excess water that would otherwise drain away. Next, apply a layer of mulch, a protective blanket of organic matter on top of the soil. Dry leaves, grass clippings, or bark chips all make excellent mulch, acting like a natural sponge, absorbing rainfall and reducing evaporation. Chapter 5. Nature's Bounty, Harvesting Rainwater. Our final hack takes inspiration from nature's own water cycle, capturing the life-giving rain that falls from the sky. Rainwater harvesting is not only environmentally responsible but also provides your garden with a chemical-free source of irrigation. Setting up a rainwater harvesting system can be remarkably simple. A large barrel or container placed strategically beneath a roof downspout is often all it takes. As raindrops cascade from your rooftop, they are channeled into the barrel, ready to be used to quench your garden's thirst. And so, we conclude our exploration of irrigation hacks, having witnessed the ingenuity and resourcefulness of gardeners throughout the ages. From ancient clay pot techniques to modern-day recycling innovations, these methods demonstrate a deep respect for water, this precious resource upon which all life depends. By embracing these simple yet effective techniques, we can ensure our gardens flourish while minimizing our impact on the environment. These 5 irrigation hacks are simple, budget-friendly, and super effective. Start using them today and watch your garden thrive like never before. Water smart, grow smart. Subscribe for more gardening tips from Teach Grow Together.